Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever worked on a website in Wix and wondered, how do I change the main language so my content matches exactly what my audience needs? Well, today's tutorial is all about that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch your site's primary language and set everything up smoothly, even if you've already got Wix Multilingual installed. So let's dive right in and get your site talking in the language you want, step by step. First things first, go to your Wix web design dashboard. That's your main control room, where you can tweak almost everything about your site. If you're already logged in, just head to your site's editor. It should look familiar with all your pages and design elements laid out. Take a moment to notice where everything is so you'll feel comfortable as we go along. It's good to be a little patient while it loads. Sometimes, especially on larger sites, it can take a few seconds. Now, once you're in, look for the Add Apps option. Apps in Wix work a bit like smartphone apps. They're plugins that add features to your website. You'll find this option usually in your left-hand navigation bar. Or if not, just use the search bar at the top of your editor. Click on Add Apps and give it a few moments as it loads the app market, where you can find everything from booking calendars to, in our case, language tools. Next step is to go to Manage Apps. This is where you see all the apps you've already added to your site. It's a good habit to review this list occasionally, so you're not cluttering your site with tools you don't use anymore. On this page, find the app called Wix Multilingual. If you already had it installed before, it'll appear here, ready for you to adjust. Now, here's an important piece. Click the three dots, that mysterious little icon next to Wix Multilingual. This opens up extra options relating to the app. From the menu, click on Delete. You might be wondering why we're removing this app, but here's the thing. To change your site's original language, you need to reset the multilingual setup, and deleting the app is the cleanest way to do that. Wix will ask you to state the reason for deleting. You can simply note that you don't need it anymore, or you want to change your main language. This helps Wix gather feedback, but don't stress. It won't affect your site's performance. Once you've done that, click Delete App. The system might take a few moments as it removes all its data. Don't worry if this feels like a big step. None of your original site content will be lost, just the multilingual settings. After that, it's time to add multilingual again. We're essentially giving it a fresh start. Head back to Add Apps, type in Wix Multilingual, and install it just like you did before. This time, when you open the app, you'll see a Settings option at the top of the window. Click on that to start configuring multilingual from scratch. Within the installation process, you'll be asked to set an original language for your site. This is an important moment, because whatever language you choose here will become your site's default, the language search engines and visitors see first. Make sure to pick the one that suits your main audience. For example, if your site visitors are primarily in Spain, choose Spanish. If you're targeting Canada, maybe you need French or English. Take your time to get this part right. Once you've finished the process, that's it. Your Wix site is now all set with its new main language. You can begin adding additional translations later if you wish, but for now, you've got a clean slate. Alright, I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button. Got questions or ran into any hiccups along the way? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials and web design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.